is running.
Oh, wow.
Here. Oh, wow, we get all kinds of power. Way over on the power.
Look at those glowing glasses. Wow. This sucker's 57 years old and it still runs.
That's when the blower comes on. Listen to it on the radio often, see what it sounds like.
Do you expect it to come up,
No,
Wayner?
I didn't.
You didn't?
Phaser has to be powered up for it to run. So it didn't. We sit there and push the button. But I forgot the phaser's got to be on, or otherwise the fail-safe interlock doesn't work. So
she's on.
It's on.
Wow.
Last time I was here in this building when that transmitter was on, I was playing rock and roll on the radio. Long-haired country boy.
Wow, that is awesome.